first and foremost, ma'am, thank you so much for coming for this event. We extend a heartfelt gratitude for this. So we'll just ask a couple of questions. So, ma'am, the way that we are talking about sickle cell, so why do you think it is so crucial to, talk about sickle cell now? Why do you think this is the hour that we should address this thing?
So, we have had a launch of sickle cell elimination mission program in 2023. And with that, we are screening nearly 7,000 individuals for sickle cell disease. And so we are giving them, whether they are normal, they are carriers, or they are sickle cell disease individuals. And because of this, I think there is, unless we parallelly educate and create awareness, knowledge of knowing that whether this individual is sickle cell or sickle cell disease comes with a stigma, and that is something that needs to be avoided. If you see with any other diseases like HIV or any other disease, there is certain amount of stigma that is associated. When it initially started, it was a lot, but when there was continuous awareness campaign, gradually the stigma is much less, and people accept testing, people accept treatment, and many other things. Similarly, for sickle cell disease, creating awareness and clearing this stigma is something which is very important. So, and also knowing your sickle cell disease status and counseling properly, premarital counseling is also equally important. So that two individuals should not be marrying each other.
That's true.
But if they really want to marry because of love, they can marry, because then you have alternate options of preventing the disease. And ultimately, for elimination, we have to elimination means that sickle disease it's containment, and you don't have birth of a sickle cell homozygous or a diseased individual. Carriers are always going to be there, like they are completely asymptomatic. And many other countries have achieved this, so it is not impossible. But unless we create awareness and people start accepting that we have to get tested and we have to prevent it, we will not be able to achieve the goal. So that is why awareness is the key for success of this elimination mission.
So, ma'am, today we conducted the HT initiative for sickle cell awareness. So, what do you have to say about that, ma'am?
As I said, if we have to alleviate the problems of individuals with sickle cell disease, or we call them warriors, or we call them individuals, or we call them heroes, awareness and understanding their needs and addressing these needs is very important. And today's program, I think all those key stakeholders have come together.
That's true.
They will bring up their important key points which need to be addressed at the end of it, and at least key stakeholders' attention is drawn to these problems. I'm sure these discussions will lead to positive changes in the policies and
creating
awareness as well.
Because the penetration becomes much deeper then. Yeah. So, ma'am, if you have to just give just one key message to all the audience who were part of this event, so what is it that you would like to say?
I think we should be testing all, creating awareness about this disease, and preventing birth of sickle cell child is something that is very important. And even if you have the sickle cell disease, don't be afraid of it. It can be managed well, and the quality of life can be significantly improved with the treatment, like in any other chronic disease. So it is something that I would like to tell.
Okay, thank you so much, ma'am. Thanks a ton for your time. It was lovely having you here. Thank you, ma'am.